Canvas enables creation of question banks to house content to be used for quizzes across courses and enables randomization of assessments. This tutorial details how to create a new question bank and manually add content. Click on Quizzes on the left-hand menu. Click the Option button, the icon with 3 vertical dots on the right-hand side, and select Manage Question Banks. Click the Add Question Bank button, provide a name for the bank, and click Enter or Return. Click on the question bank name to add content. Click the Add a Question button. Set the question type to multiple choice and enter the question in the text box. Add the correct answer and the 3 distractors. Click Update Question to save. Repeat for all remaining questions. Once complete, you can view the questions and answers in a bank by clicking on the bank name and selecting Show Question Details.